I'm going to showcase amazing new age trees. Let's dive in.
This is an amazing new age tree. It is 5 meters in height and 6 meters in diameter. This LED tree is not only grand and spectacular, but also extremely charming in appearance, just like of adwoven with light and shadow. It can change multiple colors, and you can also fix a single color. With various functions, it's full of surprises. It can also create various effects according to customers' requirements. The branches of this tree start at a high position and people can pass underneath it. The tree root is quite unique. Looks like the roots of a real old tree. The tree trunk is made of fiberglass and the shape is extremely lifelike. There are 2 tree trunks extending from the tree root. The bark also looks like the real one and is full of artistic sense. There is a single wire on each LED, and the branches can be bent arbitrarily to create different shapes. The male-female connectors and wires are all inside the flower branches and the tree trunk. The sockets of the stainless steel flower branches won't rust when used outdoors. There is a maintenance door here, which is convenient for maintenance. When delivering the goods, we will provide you with the whole set of accessories, including the control box, the controller, the pump supplier, the detector, and the speaker. After you receive the goods, you just need to connect the male and female connectors with the same numbers. The installation is also very convenient. Number 16 match 16. Number 14 match 14, and etc. Are you already tempted? Then contact us now.